Time to Sleep, Alfie Bear by Catherine Walters. It's nearly bedtime, Alfie, called Mother Bear. She gathered up Alfie's baby brother and sister, but Alfie didn't move. It can't be bedtime, he complained. It's still light. It's always light at bedtime in the summer, said Mother Bear. Come along, Alfie, time for your bath. Mother Bear took Alfie and the babies to the lake. We'll all have a nice relaxing bath to make us sleepy, said Mother Bear. Alfie sat by the water's edge. It was still warm after a long sunny day, and the fish leapt to catch the evening flies. Huh, the fish aren't going to bed, thought Alfie. Why should I? It gave him an idea. Look, Mother Bear, shouted Alfie. I don't have to go to bed. I'm a fish. He began to jump and dive and splash. The babies loved it. They laughed and splashed too. Don't do that, sighed Mother Bear. The babies are getting too excited. They'll never go to sleep. When they had all calmed down, Mother Bear took them back to the cave. It's a warm night, she said. Go and get some nice cool grass for bedding, Alfie. That will help you sleep. Alfie went outside and pulled up a few paws of grass. Over in the meadow, some owls were swooping, ready for their evening hunt. The owls aren't going to bed, thought Alfie. Why should I? Alfie clapped his arms. Grass flew everywhere. Look, I'm an owl, he hooted. I don't need to go to bed. I'm just getting up. Oh, Alfie, stop that, groaned the mother bear. Look, the babies are throwing all their lovely bedding around too. None of you will have anywhere to sleep. At last, Alfie and the babies were safely in bed, but still they didn't go to sleep. I think you need a nice, gentle song, said Mother Bear. Now close your eyes. Alfie wasn't listening. Outside, he could hear wolves howling. The wolves aren't going to sleep, he thought. Why should I? Look, I'm a wolf. Oh, said Alfie. Oh, 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 shrieked babies, kicking their feet. Mother Bear wasn't pleasant. That's enough, Alfie, she growled. I don't want any little wolves in the cave. You can wait outside until the babies are asleep. Hooray! Cried Alfie, running outside. The sun had set and the air was full of dust and shadows. Alfie charged across the meadow, tipped back his head, and howled again. Oh! Then, from somewhere close by, someone answered him. Ooh! Alfie jumped. There in front of him was a wolf cub with his family close by. The cub sniffed him all over. Are you a wolf? It asked. You sound like one, but you don't look like one. All little wolf cubs should be in bed by now, growled Mother Wolf. Are you sure you're a wolf? Called a big, gruff voice. Because you look like a little bear to me. It was Father Bear coming to take him home. I'm a bear, shouted Alfie. The big wolves turned and walked away. Good night, little bear, called the wolf cub, following them into the trees. Father Bear snuggled Alfie into his fur. So you're a bear, he said. Are you a sleepy bear all ready for bed? Night had fallen and the sky sparkled with stars. No, said Alfie, I'm not. But before he could finish speaking, he had fallen fast asleep.